In this video, I'll show you how to set up a blanket email on Mailchimp from your desktop. Now, the first step is to choose a campaign. Now, to choose a campaign, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to use. I will use my monthly newsletter. Now, on this campaign, head over to the action section, which is on the right hand side, and at the bottom, click on the edit button. Now, from here, what we need to do is set up our campaign. On the right hand side, this will be the preview of your campaign. If you do want to design your campaign, you can do so. But in here, we will just simply set up the settings in order for us to create a blanket email. Now, in order for us to select our audience, this will be the blanket part. What you need to do is simply head over to the first option, which is to. At the bottom, you want to make sure to send it to all of your email subscribers. Now, we will send this to all of our email subscribers. However, if you do want to do a target blanket, then at the bottom, you can use pasted contacts, pre-built segments, and tags. Now, let's say you want to choose a tag, so it will only target the audience within or that has this tag. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. The next setting that we have to focus on is from. From here, simply click on the drop down for from. And in here, you want to make sure that the exact name in which you have in here is the exact name in which you want your whole audience to see. So in here, I will remove events and emails. I would leave it as Tessarina. On the right hand side, it is suggested to have the same email address as your name, since it will be recognizable like your company name. Now, if you do want to add a different email address, then you can just simply add it in here. You do need to verify that email address once it is not part of Mailchimp. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, the next step is to add a subject. So on the subject, we need to add a subject line. From here, we will keep it as our monthly newsletter. And it is essential to add a preview text, but it is optional within Mailchimp. Now, in here, you can add a preview text or not. It is optional. You can also use AI to generate your subject line and preview text options. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, the next step is the send time. Now, I do suggest whenever you do a blanket email is to schedule the email. What this will do is that you will set a specific date as well as a time wherein this email will send in order for you to properly track it. If you do click on send now, that is also an option in which you can do. But on schedule, we can set the delivery date to be up until next month if that is something they want to do, as well as add a delivery time. Now, with a delivery time, you can send when the recipients are most likely to open. It will calculate the optimal time. You can send at a specific time, and here you can choose a time. And what you can also do is send with a time warp. I will do send now. And once you have all of your settings complete, the next step is to focus on the content. So at the bottom in the right corner, click on edit design. And from here, you just want to simply edit how you want your design to look like whenever you send it to all of your recipients. And once you're done, simply head over to the top in the right corner. And here you can send a test email first so you will see how your campaign looks like. But I will send this now. So at the top in the right corner, simply click on send. And once you do that, you'll be able to send your campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.